Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the most exciting and up-to-date product roundups. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best RC cars in 2025. From high-speed racers to rugged off-road beasts, we've got something for every enthusiast. So buckle up, and let's hit the road with some serious power and performance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated with our latest reviews. And if you want to check out any of these RC cars for yourself, you'll find all the product links down in the description box. The JIUSI 1/14 Brushless RC truck is a rugged 4-wheel drive monster truck made for extreme off-road adventures. Clocking in at a top speed of 50 miles per hour, it boasts a 1.2 kilogram robust chassis, 50 millimeter ground clearance, and water-resistant components including a waterproof servo, anti-splash motor, and a durable ESC that lets it rip through muddy tracks and rainy trails with no problem. Perfect for serious users aged 14 plus, it includes a fast 20-watt charging system that juices up the 3S 2,200 mAh lithium polymer battery in just 2 hours, offering over 25 minutes of intense runtime. The heat-sink-enhanced brushless motor reaches up to 45,360 revolutions per minute, ensuring consistent high performance without overheating. Meet the Polar Light 114 all-terrain RC car, an ideal blend of speed, safety, and simplicity for both adults and younger racers. This waterproof 4-wheel drive racer can hit 40 plus kilometers per hour, powered by a punchy RC 390 motor and all-terrain tires built for speed and grip. It includes dual 1,300 mAh lithium batteries, giving you a combined 40 minutes of playtime. Designed with overcharge protection, low voltage alerts, and thermal shutdown, it's a safe choice for kids aged 8 to 12. The 2.4 GHz anti-interference remote offers a generous 70-meter range, making it easy to race with friends without worrying about signal overlap. Whether you're drag racing or tackling backyards, this RC truck handles it all with style. Don't let the size fool you. The TENSSENX 1/18 all-terrain RC car packs serious performance in a compact frame. This high-speed 4-wheel drive beast reaches up to 40 kilometers per hour, driven by a robust brushed radio control 380 motor and large, grippy tires with metal-reinforced hubs. Built with a flexible PVC body and a collision-resistant PA chassis, this RC truck is built to last and tackle rough terrain. It features a 2.4 GHz remote with a 300-foot control range, delivering precise forward, brake, and reverse functions. You'll enjoy a combined 42 minutes of drive time with 2 rechargeable 7.4-volt batteries. It's a fantastic pick for both kids and adults looking to dominate the off-road without breaking the bank. The Hyper Go H16 BMRTR Brushless RC car is a next-gen monster engineered for top-tier performance. Hitting speeds of up to 42 miles per hour, it features a 4,200 kilovolt 4-pole brushless motor with a metal heatsink and cooling fans. You get metal gears, a metal differential, and a smooth 16-ball bearing system for exceptional 4-wheel drive power delivery. Its specially designed honeycomb chassis and reinforced metal plates make it crash-resistant, while flame-retardant battery housing adds another layer of safety. With oil-filled shock absorbers, pre-mounted sponge insert tires, and FR adjustable pull rods, this car offers unmatched stability on jumps and uneven terrain. It's a serious RC machine for adults who want high-speed thrills and superior build quality. Taking the top spot is the LAEGENDARY 1/10 scale RC truck, a hobby-grade 4x4 monster perfect for off-road domination. Featuring a brushed motor that propels it to 31 miles per hour, this RC car is powered by dual lithium batteries that give you up to 40 minutes of action. With a 2-speed remote control offering up to 250 feet of range, it's easy to maneuver, whether you're blasting across sand, gravel, or pavement. Built for durability and grip, its waterproof design handles all surfaces like a champ. If you're looking for an adrenaline-packed gift for teens, adults, or RC car fans, this is the one to beat. Reliable, fast, and engineered to thrill.